Make more money today with these best recession-proof business ideas. The recession has hit us all, and hard, across the globe. Because of this, many of us have thrown our efforts into finding new recession-proof business ideas. Using internet marketing to make money online is quickly becoming the most popular answer to our global recession problems. If you're just starting out in this business, I'll give you a few helpful hints to get you started. Internet marketing. The world of internet marketing is wide and vast. There are thousands of new opportunities available every week, and rummaging through them all can be time-consuming and overwhelming. However, learning how to make money online can provide you with many lucrative, recession-proof business ideas. The sphere of online marketing seems almost unaffected by the current global economic recession crisis. It is still quite possible to start making money online with a little investment of money and a large investment of your time. Making money online. The first thing you'll need is a website or blog. This can be done for very little money, and actually sites like WordPress offer free blog hosting. The templates offered today are so easy to use, even a child can build his own site. Decide upon a specific market niche and begin to build your site around that market. Look for affiliate programs whose products or services are related to your niche. Sign up and start promoting those products on your site, and you'll earn a hefty commission every time a sale is made from your site. Network marketing is another great avenue for making money online. Newer systems that utilize a top-tier approach to marketing are quickly replacing the more traditional multi-level or MLM marketing systems. With top-tier methods, you get paid today what you would expect to make in a year's worth of MLM residual income, a feature that is even more important now that we're all suffering from the recession. Investment. No successful business is ever started for free, but while traditional businesses will require a large financial investment up front, these recession-proof business ideas only require your time and hard work as an initial investment. Be prepared to dedicate time each day to building your new business, and you'll be making money online in no time. Have you been hit hard by the current global economic crisis? If you're looking for the best recession-proof business ideas, look no further. Check out the link below, sign up, and watch a video which will explain what you need to know about our current recession. You might be very surprised at what you learn. After you watch this, contact me and I'll share with you the most recession-proof home-based business available now. Don't wait until it's too late.